lecture we are going to have the chapter 2 from your Grammarly textbook, that is articles and determiners. This is our second chapter in our book. Now, articles and determiners, we all know that determiners means the words which we use before the noun. To specify it means for specify करने के लिए कि whether we are using it as a general or whether we are specifying some means to add more meaning to the noun, we use determiners before the noun to specify whether we are speaking about the specific thing or not. There are various types. There are many types of determiners. Some I have written like articles, possessive and demonstrative, quantifiers, numbers, ordinals and interrogatives. We will go through them one by one. First, we will start with the articles. We all know that three articles are there that we use before the noun, that is a, an and the. Among this, a and an are indefinite articles. A and an are indefinite articles, whereas the is a definite article. Why the is definite article? Because we use the with the specific, or we can say for the particular things only. Means if we are specifying for a particular thing, like if I say that I want the book which is kept on the table, means I am specifying about a particular book. So then we use the over there. We can use the for the universal facts also, universal things also, like the sun, the moon, the sun rises in the east, like this. So that's why the is a definite article, because it is always used before the definite nouns. So the here is one of the article. The sun rises in the east. Now here there is a monkey on a tree. Now monkey means there is a monkey on a tree. A means it specifies that we are talking about a single monkey. There is one monkey over the tree. A is used for singular things only. There is a monkey on a tree. अगर यहाँ पे monkeys होते, so I wouldn't have written over here a. I would like to have an orange. We all know that there are 5 vowels in our English. That is A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels in front of them. If the word starts with any in front of them, we use an only. So A and an are used as in general things only, whereas the is used for the specific or a particular things only. Next is possessive, demonstrative and interrogative. Now possessive, with the word only we can understand, means the word which describes the possessiveness, means to show the things that belongs to someone, to specify the things which belongs to someone. Like example, I am having markers. So these markers are, whose are these markers? Mine. These are mine markers. Markers are mine. I am going to write with my markers, means I am specifying that markers are mine. I need to clean my shoes. I need to clean your shoes, means the words which specifies us, means वो हमें ये बताता है कि ये चीज किसकी बिलोंग करती है. मुझे अगर शूज क्लीन करने हैं तो whom, किसके शूज मैं क्लीन कर रही हूँ, means the words which specifies that whose thing, that thing belongs to whom. That is called a possessive determiner. This is possessive determiner. It is specifying that वो shoes किसके हैं, मेरे हैं. And before that I have already told you that determiners are the words which are used before the noun only. यहाँ पे shoes के बारे में अगर बात चल रही है तो shoes किसके हैं, that is described by the word my. So my here is a possessive determiner. Next is demonstrative determiner. Indicates someone or something. Means if we are pointing out someone, that girl is my sister. Means we are specifying it. We are pointing it. We are indicating it. That girl is my sister. That means it is we use their demonstrative determiners. These books are interesting. मीन्स यहाँ पे जो बुक्स की बात चल रही है वो कौन से बुक्स की बात चल रही है? These books, मतलब जो यहाँ पे पढ़ी है, these books are interesting. Those books are interesting. Means I am pointing out that those books are interesting, not these books are interesting. That book is very interesting. That book I have read already. Means the words which describes or indicate something specific, or we point out something specific, we use demonstrative determiners. Next is interrogative. With the word only we can understand to ask some specific questions. Like whose marker are this? Whose means I have asked the question whose marker are this. So whose here is a interrogative determiner. Like which hotel are you staying? तो means आप किस hotel में रह रहे हो? Here we are asking that which hotel are you staying? किस hotel में रह रहे हो? Means we are asking a question. So which here becomes an which, whose, what. Like this, they becomes an interrogative determiners. Next demonstratives are quantifiers, numbers, and ordinals. Now with the name only we can understand means the words which indicate the quantity. It shows us the quantity, not the specific we can say, but it shows us the quantity. Like some of my friends live in USA. Like I write some of my friends live in USA. Means I am not describing the specific number. यहाँ पे I have used some with my friends. Some means some of my friends. I am not telling the exact number. So that is called the quantifiers. There are few pages left in my notebook. Means I am not specifying that there are 2 pages or 3 pages. I just said there are few pages left in my. There is very little ink in my pen. Like we say, हमारे पेन में कितनी ink? We are not measuring it. हम उसकी measure नहीं करते. We are just हम एक अंदाजा लगाते हैं इस चीज का. वैसे ये तो बहुत थोड़ी सी ink है. I have left little ink in my pen. So these are called quantifiers. Numbers. Here we describe the exact number. Like if you can see, I am having 3 markers. So I will write there I have 3 marker pens. Here you can see I have described the exact number of the markers which I am having. So means the exact number which is described in that is called numbers. Means the numbers which 1, 2, 3 like this we describe. Next is ordinals. We all know the ordinal numbers like first, second, third, fourth. So when these ordinal numbers are used to show the sequence or the order of something, then we call them ordinals determiners. Like some examples we can take. First row is of 7A class. Like this we can say first row means we are telling the order in which students are standing. First row, जो first row है वो किसकी है? 7th A class. First row is of 7th A class. So I hope quantifiers, numbers and ordinals are clear in your mind. Quantifiers we don't describe the exact number. We just means हमें जो अंदाजा ही उसमें लगाते हैं. There is little ink. There are some pages. There are few pages left I hope determiners are clear with you all. So that's all in the determiners. Till our next lecture. Have a nice day.